Hi, thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese food culture and cooking from London. Today, I'm gonna introduce sushi called Temari sushi, which is named after Japanese traditional ornament. It's very simple and easy to make a shape than other sushi. You don't have to use neither seaweed sheet nor sushi mat. All you need is just cling film. First of all, you have to cook rice. To make a perfect sushi rice, please check my previous video, link on below. Let's get started. First one, salmon. Firstly, I cut smoked salmon into square pieces. Use cling film. Put salmon in the middle. Put spoonful rice on the top. And then squeeze cling film like this. Shape it quite strongly so that all rice get together and make a nice solid shape. Next one is avocado. Slice avocado. I put lemon juice so the color stays nicer. Place avocado on the cling film and make it square shape as much as you can. Then put spoonful of rice, shape it. This will be already quite nice party plate. I will introduce another two which takes a little bit more preparation, but look also nice and authentic. Radish. Slice radish thin. I use slicer. Soak sliced radish with vinegar. I use rice vinegar. At least 2 hours. I soaked for one overnight. So now it's pickled properly. Because it's quite vinegary and sour, I washed with water and dried it. Now place 5 slices of radish, like flower. Then again put rice on and shape it. So final one is spinach. Boil spinach 1 to 2 minutes. Drain water, cool down by cold water, then squeeze it. Then make soya sauce tare dipping. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of Japanese rice wine for cooking, if you have. Then 1 teaspoon of mirin seasoning, or if you don't have one, you can use sugar. But then in that case, put sauce onto the heat to dissolve sugar completely. Then we got the tare dipping here. Soak spinach into the dipping around 20 minutes so taste goes into it. And squeeze and dry it. Then make spinach square. Put rice on, shape it. Finally, as a decoration, I put lemon zest with lemon juice, also sesame seed. Can be other things. By the way, when you are sharing the sushi in the party, pouring soya sauce on the plate, it's not easy to handle it and a bit messy. In this case, use brush and add soya sauce just before you serve. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you like this, please check my another video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.